Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy V-Bucks with Apple Pay. So when you don't have the actual game in your phone and you want to buy it for your PS4 or such, you can go to your browser and go to g2a.com and search up your V-Bucks basically. And then right here, I have Fortnite 1000 V-Bucks for PC. So this will depend on what type of gaming console you're buying it for. So I chose PC right here and it's going to be a Epic Games key. So here as you can see that you'll just have to place your email and then you'll just have to continue to your payment. So once you continue to your payment right here, there's going to be some payment options. So there's G2A Balance, Visa, Zen, Skrill, Neteller, PayPal, Union Pay, WeChat Pay, and even Bitcoin. But once you go here to the very bottom, you will have your Apple Pay. So just click that. It'll redirect you to your wallet. As you will see right here, it will redirect me to my wallet. And then you will have to use your Apple Wallet from there to actually purchase it and then use your Apple Pay basically with your wallet. And that's how you purchase it with your Apple Pay. And it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you buy V-Bucks with your Apple Pay.